Welcome to the second video. In this video, we want to do derivation of a polynomial, how we get from the zeros of the polynomial. Let us do. Let alpha comma beta are the two zeros of a polynomial, then the polynomial is x minus alpha into x minus beta. It is a general polynomial, x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here it is multiplied by k. The value of k is, in general, it is 1 if alpha and beta, the two zeros, are integers. In case alpha and beta both are at least 1 is a fraction, then the k value is not 1. If k value is 1, we may not get the factors or the coefficients of the polynomial integers. To make the coefficients of the integers in coefficients of the polynomial integers, k is necessary. Let us do. Alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial. This is the polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Since there are two zeros, this is a quadratic polynomial. This is the general form of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Let us equate these two and let us see what is going to happen. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to constant k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Suppose if you multiply k into x square minus alpha x minus beta x. Alpha x, beta x, when you take common factor, minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the product. Now, again let's write ax square plus bx plus c. Now, what is the coefficient of x square? Here it is a. On multiply, multiply ax square plus bx plus c is equal to k into x square minus k into alpha plus beta into x plus k into alpha beta. Here x square का coefficient is a, k. Here x square का coefficient is k. This implies k is equal to a. Next, x का coefficient it is b, and here it is minus k into alpha plus beta is equal to b. It is second equation on comparing the coefficients of x. On comparing constants, this k into alpha into beta is equal to c. This is 3. Now, with the help of these 3, it's possible to find out what is the sum of the zeros of the polynomial and what is the product of the zeros of the polynomial. Now, in the second equation, on substituting this value of k, minus of k value is a into alpha plus beta is equal to, this is b. This implies alpha plus beta is equal to minus a goes b divided by minus a, or alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. It is result 1. Similarly, on comparing this and substituting this k value k into alpha into beta is equal to c, k is equal to a into alpha into beta is equal to c. This implies alpha into beta is equal to c by a. It is result 2. From the results 1 and 2, ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial if the zeros of polynomial are alpha comma beta, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a derived. Please note. Thank you.